just got off the phone with the girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself, is she helping with?
Hi lovelies, today is speech day with my mom. So already around 1 p.m. we're already heading to the beach. So I'm just gonna keep you guys updated. Oh my god, at this point in time, I feel like the wait was way too long. I was like, girl, like, when am I gonna reach this beach? But the view was really amazing. The buildings were so beautiful. Like, honestly, it's a country I will definitely go back to, like, to just have fun and visit. So here I was so excited because I really could see from far they were like really close. I think it took us like more of 20 or 15 minutes so we could definitely reach there. But you know, I was so excited to reach because I think it took us like almost an hour. Yeah, I think an hour to just reach there. So it was worth it, guys. Like, if you know Dubai, you know how far the distance is going to be. But you know, unfortunately, it was worth it. Oh my god, look at the beach. I'm in love, guys. Don't judge me, but this is me pretending to actually love the scenery sunset. Like, let's take a second to admire the beautiful sunset. This was just amazing, honestly. I was definitely in love with the sunset. I'm gonna head home right now. The sunset is beautiful, but unfortunately it's getting cold, so I have to go. I'm really hot right now, so I'm saying bye-bye to the beach. So catch you guys on I think I also caught a cold, so yeah. Oh my god, the view is so beautiful, but it's getting so cold. I'm still waiting for the taxi. But you guys can see. I think the book that I wanted to go, normally this should like be behind, so I think it's the other side. I'm not sure, I've never been here, but like yeah, but this is also fun, very fun, beautiful, so yeah. I was already in the taxi, was heading to the hotel, and that was the end of my day. If you guys love this kind of content, don't forget to put it in the comment section, and see you in my next one.